Windows 11 and Chrome OS represent two very different visions for the future of desktop computing. Windows 11 builds on Microsoft's legacy of a powerful, feature-rich OS designed for productivity, gaming, and enterprise use. Chrome OS, on the other hand, embraces a cloud-first approach, offering a lightweight, secure, and efficient environment primarily focused on web apps. Here's how they compare in key areas. 1. User experience and interface. 1. Windows 11 features a modernized UI with a centered taskbar, rounded corners, and new multitasking enhancements like snap layouts. 1. It's designed for both traditional and touch-based computing. 2. Chrome OS, minimalist and lightweight, resembling a blend of Windows and Android. 2. Chrome OS prioritizes speed and simplicity, with an interface that integrates well with Google services. 2. Performance and hardware requirements. 1. Windows 11 requires more powerful hardware, TPM 2.0, modern CPUs, making it less suited for low-end devices. 1. It offers better compatibility with high-performance applications. 2. Chrome OS, optimized for lower-end hardware, making it ideal for affordable Chromebooks. 2. It boots quickly and runs efficiently even on modest specs. 3. Software and app support. 1. Windows 11 supports traditional Windows applications, Microsoft Store apps, and even Android apps via the Amazon App Store. 2. Chrome OS primarily relies on web apps and Android apps from the Google Play Store, with some support for Linux applications. 4. Gaming. 1. Windows 11 offers full gaming support with DirectX 12, Xbox integration, and compatibility with a vast library of PC games. 2. Chrome OS. Limited gaming support, mostly relying on cloud gaming services like NVIDIA GeForce Now and Xbox Cloud Gaming. 5. Security and updates. 1. Windows 11 improved security features but still vulnerable to malware due to its openness. 1. Updates can be large and disruptive. 2. Chrome OS. Extremely secure with automatic background updates and sandboxing, making it less susceptible to malware. 6. Target audience and use cases. 1. Windows 11. Best for professionals, gamers, power users, and those who need full-featured applications like Adobe Photoshop or Visual Studio. 2. Chrome OS. Ideal for students, casual users, and businesses focused on cloud computing and security. The future: a hybrid approach? The future of desktop computing may lie somewhere between these two approaches. Windows 11 is evolving towards a more cloud-integrated experience with Microsoft 365 and OneDrive, while Chrome OS is gaining more offline capabilities and local app support. With growing interest in cloud computing and AI-driven productivity, a hybrid model could emerge where users choose their OS based on how much computing they need locally versus in the cloud. Which one do you think fits your needs better?